How to fix people can't hear me on calls in iPhone. So if you want to fix people can't hear me on calls in iPhone, then what you need to do is, the first thing is you need to check your microphone. So make sure that your iPhone is not blocked or obstructed. Clean the microphone and speaker openings with a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dirt or depth. After cleaning the microphone and speaker, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve your temporary issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open up your settings. From your settings, you can scroll down and then tap on General. Under General, scroll all the way down and then tap Shutdown, which is on the bottom. Once you shut down, you can again restart your device and it will fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, then next thing is you need to go with your software update. Under your software update, if you have any updates, you need to go and update your software. And after updating, your problems will be fixed. The next thing you need to do is just disable the noise cancellation on your iPhone and it will fix your problem. But if you're still facing the issue, then you can reset your network settings. To do that, you can go back and under your General, you need to scroll all the way down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset and then go with Reset Network Settings, and this might fix your problem. That's how you can fix people can't hear me on calls on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.